Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the skin1004 Centella Soothing Cream. This product retails for $22. This is one of the only products that I haven't tried from this line, and I'm super excited because most of the skin1004 Centella collection has worked amazing for me. I looked over the ingredients and it seems to have great ones that work for my skin, so I can't wait to see how this product performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things I'll be looking for with it include what finish does it leave on the skin. With moisturizers, I always want to test out if I can use it both during the day and at night. I always love a soothing, balanced moisturizer. I'll be looking to see what it does in those regards. And also I want to see if this product clogs my pores or causes any acne. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this moisturizer. I'm very excited to see how it feels because this is the first moisturizer that I'm trying from skin1004. I don't know anything about this product, so I'm just going into this completely blind. It feels like a light gel cream. It has a really unique color to it. Oh wow, that feels really nice going on the skin. It almost feels like a water gel texture. It's really like a light gel, but look at that moisturization that it gives. It really is feeling nourishing. Doesn't have a smell to it at all. That feels really nice. I didn't expect this to be so watery. It definitely feels nice. I'm gonna take just a little bit out. Now I looked over the ingredients and it seems to have amazing ingredients that work for my skin. So I'm really hopeful for that with this product. It feels so refreshing going on the skin, but I'm not sure if this is going to moisturize enough for my skin in the winter. I did try this out at a colder time, and with the feel of it, it's feeling more like a lightweight gel, and it may be more of a summertime moisturizer for me. But still, I'm going to see how it performs. It's really lightweight, it absorbs practically immediately. I've tried a few products like this with a watery gel consistency, and I like it because I feel like it's more designed for oilier skin types. Dry skin, usually, when I am more dry at least, I like to go for something that's a little bit more rich. This may be a good layering step. This is the first product from skin1004 where I have seen it designed as a moisturizer. It may be a good base layer step for someone with drier skin to get more moisturization to their skin with this. So if you're oily, this could be a final destination moisturizer for you, but if you're more dry, this could more be a hydrating layer step. That's kind of what it's feeling like so far. I'm enjoying it. It feels nice. It was refreshing going on the skin. My only worry is that at the moment, it doesn't feel like it's providing enough moisturization for my skin at least. I definitely think oily skin will love this product. It has a nice watery gel consistency, but I do feel like I need just a little bit more, which could come in with the sunscreen step during the day, but we'll just see. I'm gonna evaluate that. I'm gonna continue using it, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Coming from someone who's been a fan of the whole entire skin1004 Centella line, this moisturizer was really nice, but I feel like it was really designed for oily skin. I also feel like I didn't try out this product at the right time, which I'm kind of beating myself up about. I definitely need to do short form content checking in around the summer with this product because it is one of the most lightweight water gel cream consistencies that I have ever seen, but it does give a nice hydration to the skin that I feel like would be suitable for oily skin. I don't feel like dry skin is really going to benefit from this product unless you're wanting a more moisturizing way to deliver the ingredients, but coming from a sole moisturizer perspective, I am more combination. I'm more dry right now because of the weather. Usually I have combination skin, and sometimes I can get away with using oily skin moisturizers, but this I couldn't use in the winter just because it was not moisturizing enough, either during the day or at night. I noticed my skin was still dry when using this, so I really feel like this moisturizer was designed for extremely oily skin. Even though everyone's acne is different, I didn't experience any acne with it personally myself. Also, just solely my perspective, I feel like this may be a good option for acne-prone skin, but that's solely because I have had a great experience with all of the skin1004 Centella products, to where all of them worked for my acne prone skin, and I feel like this moisturizer would be perfect because it has a lightweight finish. I didn't see any ingredients that personally set off my acne. Not to say that is universal, but still, I feel like it could be a more safer option for acne prone skin, specifically if you are really oily. I can appreciate a moisturizer for its ability to work for another skin type, and I feel like that is what this product did best. It wasn't personally for my skin, but I feel like if you have really oily skin, especially in the summer, you're going to love this product. If you're oily all year round, you'll also love this product, but this is definitely more of a summertime moisturizer for me. I'm glad I tried it. I wish I would have tried it at a different time, but still I can appreciate this product because I know all skincare products are not going to be designed for me, and I feel like this really was designed for people with really oily skin, or if you have dry skin, you could use this as a layering hydration step, but ultimately I don't feel like it is enough as a sole moisturizer if you have specifically combination to dry skin. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.